Okay, so very honored today to have a proper Mozambican chef in the house. She works at Tofo restaurant and has agreed to come and show me how to make proper authentic peri peri chicken. So we're busy with that prep now. I've got Raul with me, and this is Americana. Welcome Americana to my show, to my movie. Thank you for coming today. Obrigado.
Thank you so much.
Perfect. So can you ask how long she's been a chef for?
She's starting do the chef on 14.
14?
4.
Okay.
Was young.
And how old now?
Agora?
83?
Agora estou com 26.
26.
26.
Irei fazer 27 em setembro este ano.
She's marking 27 on September.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. Excellent. And what is her favorite thing to cook?
Frango Zambesiano.
Really?
Yes.
I've got something else I must try now, eh? Okay. So Zambesiano is with coconut?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. One of my friends has a big 43 restaurants in South Africa called Mozambique.
Yes.
BIK.
Okay.
And that's one of their favorite dishes.
Mozambican.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so something else to learn while I'm here.
Yes.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so we're just going to move on to the prep and a little bit more talking and take it from there. Also, Americana, I hear that what is your favorite heat to cook on? You like stove or you like fire? Braai. Charcoal, yeah?
It's nice.
You know why?
So the good chicken is for fire.
For fire.
Chocolate, yes.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. You get the nice
Yes.
char, you get the smoke, all of that.
Yes.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, so we're making 2 chickens today, peri peri chickens. What ingredients are you using today?
Okay. So we're using 4 lemon
Yep.
and small piri here.
Yep.
We mix piri and 1 head of onion.
Garlic, yeah? Two heads.
Two
Okay.
heads. And 2 pieces of ginger.
Ginger.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
A little bit of olive oil just to stop the chicken from drying. And then is she going to make everything?
Yes. One
One
spoon.
spoon.
Yes.
Just to lightly coat and stop it from
Porque
going
o
dry.
frango já tem aí o óleo, então não podemos adicionar muito óleo.
Yeah,
É só
sim.
para dar aquele gostinho
Okay.
apenas.
So the chicken's got for his proper oil.
Oil in it, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I just want to mix it that the ginger is not necessary to use, but to the chicken to be very nice. So you need to put in small ginger.
Gives nice fragrance.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, perfume.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. And then I see she's got some other stuff on the side.
Yes.
We have a Portuguese chicken spice
Yes.
and
Gengibre.
the ginger. Okay.
Vai ficar fino.
Must a good peri peri chicken hurt on the way in and on the way out?
Espero poder fazer.
Okay, so she's asked me to taste it. Nice and hot. Garlic, salty, lemon. Perfecto.
Frango.
Now take the chicken, put it in
Frango.
the pot.
Panela.
Putting the oil.
De azeite. Vamos deixar marinar.
All of it.
Yes. Can leave chicken in 10 minutes.
10 minutes,
Pode
yeah?
marinar, podemos mexer com a mão.
Then
Mix it around, get all the
yes, so
things in. 10 minutes, or can you leave overnight for strong? You can?
yeah.
Yeah. You always wash the chicken, make clean.
Corta bem.
Não corta. Temos que lavar novamente.
Nice, yep. So she makes all the cuts to make it cook even?
Yes.
And to get the peri peri into the chicken?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So she's going to marinate it for 10 minutes?
Yes.
And then boil it for a little bit?
Yes.
Why does she boil?
To be easy on fire.
On the fire,
Don't
okay.
Take so long time.
Okay.
Yes.
And is that where the chicken stock comes in? She puts in the water when she
Yes.
boils?
Yes.
Okay. Yep.
It's going to putting a little bit of this.
Portuguese chicken
Yes,
spice.
yes.
Chicken spice, yes. Não? Ok. Vou tirar um bocadinho aqui para marinar.
Smelling very good. Just a comment, she's going to reduce the peri peri sauce in the pot. She's left a little bit to dress the chicken with through the cook. But obviously being quite thin, she wants it to stick a little bit. Mm. Okay, Americana, thank you very much. I'm just going to use my fingers here.
Yeah.
Thank you for showing us how you do it. I like the care and the time that you showed, the patience, the love that you gave the food. Never can forget that. I can see that you're in the right place, doing the right thing.
Yeah.
Very good, well done.
Thank you.
Thanks. Maybe soon you will see Americana on YouTube. Keep an eye out for it. I'm going to ask her to show us how to make the Zambeziana chicken. That's similar just with coconut, right?
Yes. I never eat chicken like that. Very nice chicken.
Yeah, you enjoy it?
Yes.
That is very good. Nando's is nothing compared to this. Nothing. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Perfect.